weeks was fun, met an old friend for drinking and thinking about where we went for years. Wound up in bed with some thoughts across my head. How come some from the past always look the real you?